A stuffy nose occurs when the membranes inside your nostrils become inflamed, often due to colds, the flu, or allergies, leading to mucus discharge that can make breathing difficult. To find relief, consider at-home treatments like taking a hot shower to create steam, using a cool mist humidifier, or employing saline sprays or neti pods to flush out mucus safely. Nasal adhesive strips can help open up your nostrils at night, while a warm compress can reduce sinus pressure. Over-the-counter decongestants or antihistamines may provide additional relief, especially for allergy sufferers. But consult your doctor before taking any medication. Staying hydrated and propping up your head while resting can also aid in alleviating congestion. Lastly, avoid irritants like cigarette smoke and common allergens to improve your symptoms. If symptoms persist or worsen, seek medical assistance.